guys, welcome back to my channel. This makeup was inspired by the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I am obsessed with this palette. It's been one of my go-tos for the last, I don't know, 6 months or so, depending on when I got it. But I love the colors in this. I wanted to use as many as I possibly could fit on my face. I also show you how to do a really easy halo eye technique. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this look, please keep watching. So starting out with the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, I took this palette on holiday and it honestly was my savior. I feel like you can just do so many looks with it. So I'm starting with just a really big fluffy brush in my crease and then slowly darkening that up. I want to make my eyes look like a little bit of a sunrise, so I'm making my actual lid a little bit darker with this red kind of cranberry tone, and then layering over a little bit of purple as well to deepen it up a bit. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again, I feel again. Oh. Then to create a halo eye effect, I'm using the MAC Select Cover Up Concealer and patting that right on the center of my lid. They just don't need to be blended because you're going to use some eyeshadows, as you can see me doing here, to pack over the edges to create a really nice seamless blend. And for the very center of my lid, I'm using Twilight, which is this amazing iridescent shade, and I'm packing it on with my finger because it applies it more like a foil shadow rather than blending it out softly. I want it to be super strong right on the center of the lid to give it that nice spotlight effect. With a look like this, you're bound to have some fallout, so I cleaned it up with a makeup wipe before I did my under eyes, which I'm just using that same purple. If you've never seen Makeup Forever diamond powders, they're essentially a really fine glitter, so I'm popping that right on the center of the lid to add a little bit more sparkle. Lately, I have not been able to stop using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It's just honestly so good. Super full coverage, and then I don't set it with a powder so it doesn't dry me out too much, but if I set it, it looks awful. So I just leave it dewy and nice underneath my eyes. Then to finish off the eye look, some eyeliner, mascara, and some lashes. We never quite could forget. For foundation, I mixed the Urban Decay All Nighter and the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea because that one's slightly more dewy and radiant and the All Nighter is slightly more full coverage, so it gives the most flawless base, and I'm actually really obsessed with this combination. As you can see, I'm only setting my cheeks with some powder because I'm going to put some bronzer over those areas, but the rest of my face I'm going to leave completely natural so that the dewiness of the foundation can really shine through. And you know I have to add a little bit of bronzer around the hairline as well. For blush, I'm using this absolutely gorgeous colour called Baby Love. I just do a really soft amount and it's the prettiest colour to go with this eye makeup. And this Kylie Cosmetics highlighter is actually so beautiful. It's slightly pinky, so it went really well with the eye makeup. And to finish off, one of my favourite lipsticks of all time, Lime Crime Eraser. So that, guys, is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial / get ready with me. If you have any other makeup looks you'd like me to do, please leave them in the comments, or if you have any other suggestions for videos, I'd love to hear it. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And other than that, I hope you all are having a really great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.